do not visit Kanjiri Lake in Mysore, because it is a one kind of couple point where people just doing that their stuffs. So if you have any female friend, then you can come here, and it is the best chance to get her, and it is the best chance. But do not visit single if you are traveling alone, or if you have friends. One of the worst feeling. The view is great, but you know na, alone or loneliness can get you here too much in depression. I'm not in depression because I'm a strong boy. I'm not a strong boy, I'm a strong man. I'm taking my words back. It is a Karanji Lake in Mysore. We are here. Very nice lake overall, but it is so quiet, and because of that quietness, people using for the wrong things. So in every 1 or 2 minutes there is a board of saying this. It's mean what can happen, you can imagine here, because people are using this place as their place. It is not a bedroom, man. But we don't have is doesn't mean people should not enjoy. They should also have to enjoy. At some point, we also get, so we also enjoying this kind of things. So keep keep enjoying, but not in front of some people, just like some singles, because our badua can, our cursed can destroy your relationship. That's it. So after some time, when I'm exiting this, I will be record myself another video. In that I will show you what I can, what others views. Bye.